Everybody please stand up and stretch your body in Tadasana, crossing your cross fingers like this. Stretch your body, make the Triyak Tadasana, stretching, moving, good stretch, very good stretch, continue. Bhavana, Poonam, Archana, continue. Very nice, continue. Keep it up. Good, very good. Excellent. And now relax. Now on your place where you are standing on your yoga mat, start walking like a small baby, slow walking, slow walking. And now just on one place, start little jumping. Jumping, jumping, jumping like a baby. Be a small baby and start jumping. Very good jumping. Yes, enjoy. And you'll find new Shakti coming in your system. Stop. Take deep breath. And now this time when you'll be jumping, it will be like a running with the breathing. Like this type of breathing and start. Breathing should be there. Powerful breathing, powerful jumping. Very good jumping, very good breathing. Continue. बहुत अच्छा. हाँ. Continue. Keep it up. Very nice. Going well. बहुत अच्छा. And stop. Now look at me. Inhale, take your hands up. Exhale and go and touch your toes. Inhale up, exhale down. Continue, keep on moving. Inhale up, exhale down. Very good. Powerful. Keep on moving with the power. Powerful exhale. Reduce the excess baggage in the body and belly. Balance your head, balance your heart. Balance your back, balance your belly. Beautiful movement. Powerful exhale, powerful inhale. Wake up your Shaktis. Some are the sleeping Shaktis, some are the dormant Shaktis, some are the potential Shaktis. Wake them up. Beautiful awakening. Nice awakening. Another 3 rounds with more joy. Each time, happy mode. Powerful exhale. And last round. And now sit down in Sukhasana on your yoga mat. If you have little cold in your area, you can cover yourself with your shawl or blanket. Bring your both the hands in Bhairavi Mudra, where you are keeping your right palm down, and on top of right palm bring the left and bring the thumbs together like this. In the center of your lap, keep them in your lap. Keep your hands relaxed down in your lap. Eyes closed. And now inhale, let the body swing little bit back. Exhale, let the body swing forward. Very gentle inhale, very gentle exhale. Do not put your support of the back, movement of the body with the breath. Synchronize breath, body movements. Inhale, go back, exhale, come forward. By natural movement, take out your glasses, Continue moving. Let the body move. Beautiful movement. Very good movement. Continue. It is happening or doing, but keep it up. Sometime faster. Sometime increase the speed. Very good. Movements. Continue movements. Allow the movements. Witness the movements. Sometime faster. Very good. Moving, moving, moving. And you will see that Shakti start rising up. Without any obstacle, surrender to the Shakti. The whole body is moving forward and backward. Not only your head, not only your neck, entire spine moving. Spine is having the chakras, subtle chakras, moving through the chakras. Very good Shakti movement. Speed up, speed up, faster, faster, speed. Do not worry, no hesitation, but action, action, action. Continue, continue moving. Uncontrolled. Let it flow, let it flow, moving. Very special movements. Continue. Continue moving. Enjoy the movement, enjoy the movement, continue. Let it happen, let it happen, let it happen. Constant flow. Go fast, go fast. Put your full efforts, 100% efforts. 100% efforts will lead you 100% results. Sampurna Chitta, full Chitta, involved in it, and see the joy. See the joy. You are not doing. Now sometime it is happening, sometime you are doing. Let it happen. Go flow. Free flow. As if now Shakti is moving you. You are not moving. Let the Shakti take over and you surrender to the Shakti. This is divine Shakti, blissful Shakti. Allow and allow. No suppression, no repression. Constant flow. Surrender. No other thought, no other talk, but just let it happen. Let it happen. Constant divine connection. Very good. Very good. Total surrender to the Shakti. And Shakti is blissful. Ananda. You are Ananda. You are the bliss. Very good. Very nice. Continue happening. Continue happening. No efforts. Continue moving. Let it move. Let it move. Continue. Allow it to happen, allow it to happen, allow it to happen. No suppression, no suppression, no repression, no fighting. The more you surrender, the more you purify. Let it happen, let it happen, let it happen. So many burdens we carry in our life. Unburdening, it is happening. Unburdening. Let it happen. Continue. Continue. Purify. 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 The divine grace, divine blessings. Purify. बहुत अच्छा. Purify. 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 Allow it to happen. Allow it to happen. Let go. Let go. Let go. बहुत अच्छा. Very good. Allow it. Allow it. Let it happen. Let it happen. Let it happen. Let it happen. Surrender. 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 The more you surrender, the deeper you experience, the higher you experience. Let it happen. No control, no suppression. Let it happen. Let it happen. Very good. Very nice. Continue. 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 बहुत अच्छा. Total surrender. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Let it happen. Let it happen. No control. You are not doing it anymore. It is happening. No suppression. Let it go. 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 No suppression. No suppression. No suppression. बहुत अच्छा. Let it go. Let it go. It is happening. It is happening. Continue happening. It is happening. Continue. Allow it to happen. Continue. Allow it. Allow it. Allow it. बहुत अच्छा. Allow it. Allow it. बहुत अच्छा. Very good. Continue. 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 And slowly, slowly, with gratitude, we will start the process of thankfulness. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Witness the divine Shanti, grace, blessings. With both the hands together near your heart in Namaste Mudra, and bow down to your deity, your Ishta, choice of your God, or the Supreme Shakti, Supreme Consciousness, who has blessed us so many things in our life. Today you surrender full of thankfulness. Very nice. And slowly, slowly rub your palms and cover your face with gratitude again, with thankfulness again. When you cover your face, you see another dimensions of your life. divine dimensions of your own life through your divine vision. Darshan, Divya Darshan, Deva Darshan. Darshan is a beautiful Sanskrit word, divine seeing, not through physical eyes, but through divine eyes. And slowly, slowly, very gently rub your face and very gently please come back. What was happening? The divine grace start showering on us. When we surrender, impurities go out, and when you become pure, higher connection starts. Very good. Anybody would like to say something? May please go ahead. What was happening? Many times you don't feel like speaking after such a good session, but do write your experience of the session, email me if you have any questions at that time. Those who want to continue in this state for few more minutes can remain seated on your place with closed eyes or may lay down for some time, because these are something very, very special personal moments of your life. I could see some of you were having emotions, tears, heavy tears, big Shakti movements, Kundalini Shakti movements, chakras movements, and so many. And time is also the constraint now, so we will be taking leave here. Wish you all the best. Continue your practice joyfully. Hari Om, Hari Om.
Hari Om Guruji.
Hari Om.
Hari Om Guru.